Morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Kind of a mixed trade overnight. Over in the beans, I think the Chinese are underneath the market and good buyers, but they'd like to buy at a little bit lower prices. This and the fact that we're going to get some rains in the dry areas of Brazil might be offering some resistance to soybean prices that are just slightly under $9. We expect that the soybean harvest is almost 90% done, and that this week export inspections might be around 75 million bushels. So with the harvest ending and good nearby loadings, that offers some seasonal support to prices underneath the market. Over in the corn, you don't have a lot of export demand. Weekly inspections are expected to be somewhere around 30 million bushels. Harvest is about just under 80% done, so we'll have to see if that last part of harvest moves to the market. Farmers been a reluctant seller so far, so we're kind of a mixed bag right a little bit below the 380 area on the nearby corn prices. Over in wheat, heavy rains in the southern part of the U.S. winter wheat areas, and the northern part missing some of the rains might be offering some support to wheat. Funds were big sellers of wheat last week, and that might be offering a little bit of support underneath the wheat market. Still, you have adequate world supplies right now, and the export demand is slow, and that keeps kind of a lid on wheat prices. Outside markets are mixed. We'll be watching the Chinese policy meeting this week to see what they come up with to try to help their economy. We'll also be watching the FOMC meeting here in the United States to see what they say about the future of interest rates. There was some articles written that EU stimulus, China's stimulus may encourage the Fed to think about raising rates maybe early in 2016. U.S. forecast calls for normal to above temps, maybe normal rains over the next couple of weeks, and certainly there's some areas in the central Midwest that needs the rain. So mixed trade, and we'll see if we continue to trade mostly sideways this week as we get into the end of the harvest, watching the financial markets, watching the demand, and watching farmer selling habits. As always, these are my thoughts, not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day.